Hey y'all, it's Jason David Kennedy here on Good Night Snack with Lisa Cara. This one you're gonna have a ball with because it's nut balls.
Balls.
It's gonna get nutty in here, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
Cashew something. I
Lemon.
can't think of that one.
Cashew
Can you?
lemon. Cashew, no.
No, I was trying to do a pun.
Oh.
Anyway.
This is a great snack in a pinch. When you like gotta go somewhere, just whip this up.
What are the ingredients?
They are cashews, raw and soaked cashews. You
Yeah.
can use just raw, you don't have to soak them, but cashews. Any kind of nut flour or coconut flour. Tonight I'm using almond flour. Freshly squeezed lemon, and the magic ingredient, coconut butter.
Okay.
And some coconut chips. And a little bit of honey.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
So that's it. You kind of just jump it all in the bowl and then transfer it into the food processor because it gets kind of messy if you just pour everything in there.
So raw nuts and nut butter.
Yeah.
Okay, this episode is sponsored by Grindr.
This is the coconut butter.
You mix it in there. Half of a lemon squeezed in.
And then your nut flour of choice.
So the nut flour, I'm guessing, just holds it together?
Yeah, a little
Cool.
bit.
Great.
Adds a little flavor. Half a tablespoon of honey. Roughly, I don't know, handful of coconut chips. Whatever.
All right, cool.
Beauty of balls is that you don't have to measure anything. Oh my god. Why does it always go there? So that's it. Just throw it in the food processor and let her go. All right, so do you see it's kind of reached this like,
What was that smoke?
it kind of wasn't.
Did you see that?
So now it's
The dough.
Yeah.
It's like, it looks like chocolate chip cookie dough.
and so basically,
Basic. Could I put cacao
just-
nibs in it?
yeah, you can put anything you want in these. They're super easy. You just kind of get your hands dirty, and
Okay.
these are really great little like pre-workout snacks, or if you're rushed in the morning, you could just grab one of these and go.
Yeah, I like.
Keep them in the fridge though, because they'll kind of get soft. And that.
All right, cool. Should we
That-
taste? Ooh, we'll taste one. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is so good. This has been another good night snack. Thanks, Lisa.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, you can find the recipe here on Good Night Snack on the Daily Kennedy. Somebody's at the door right now. Dogs barking. Anyway, we gotta go. You have a good night. Bye.